Fireteam. Open it easily though.
We're going bankrupt already. Okay, so what are we doing?
Oh, hey.
What's up?
I don't know. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh, okay.
I'm not doing nothing.
I'm pretty worried with what you have back there.
Don't worry about that.
He's already giggling.
I'm wondering, do I need to come over there and take it without him seeing it?
Man, for a guy that hates Arrma, you sure have a lot of Arrmas.
I know. I really do hate Arrma. Oh, we need to open these.
Oh, yes,
Get away
we
from
do.
this pretty car, though. I don't want to open by this pretty car. All right, guys. So we're gonna open the Fireteam today.
A fire
We're just gonna
team?
open it easily, though. Because everybody said that I open horribly.
Yeah, man, you gotta be easy. It's an Arrma.
Yeah, I know. It's gotta be easy.
Last time you did the soft unboxing.
Yeah, I know. Actually, hold on. Hey, look.
Oh, Chief's gonna get you for littering.
Littering in.
Oh, you got into it a little bit.
It's an Arrma. It's Arrma Day. That's what for? It's a car.
It's a poor investment is what it is.
A poor investment. We're gonna do an easy unboxing today, guys.
An easy unboxing.
That wasn't easy.
No, you're right. Okay. Should I do a little bit better?
I think you should,
You
Byron.
said no.
I think you should.
Huh? Yeah. Maybe this side? Yeah, it's that side.
Oh, yeah, you probably got into it a little bit, Byron.
Hey, Brett, will you sweep this up?
Yeah, don't worry.
Don't do this at home.
I'll get right on it. I'll get right on it. Oh! I don't think you got into it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, no,
did
you
get into
definitely
it.
got into it a
Yeah,
little
I got
bit.
into it.
They hit this one pretty well from you.
I like it.
They're doing good jobs now.
That's Arrma.
All them Chinese kids had a packet and everything.
Yep.
Looky there. It's a shame it's about to get all muddy.
Already got a gun out the window.
Wait, for real?
Hey, we can't.
That's not PG-13. YouTube's gonna hate us.
Oh, we can fix that.
Did they not give you batteries? Bro! That's the tariffs coming in, man. They didn't even give you batteries this time.
I'm sad.
What are we doing?
tariffs.
The tariffs.
Hey, y'all still got a whole nother box.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna light that one on fire in a little bit.
Please don't.
He said, please don't. Every time Arrma sends them, you know, like that's the best thing about Arrma is they actually send you AA batteries.
Oh, really?
But they jip Byron this time. You need to return it. Just like that.
Did they take the box back?
I think they will.
Ship it back to Amazon, right?
Yeah.
It came with the black one.
Oh yeah, it did come with the black ESC. Good to know. Well, I'll go get the programmer. We'll hop this thing up to 9. I got your programmer right here so you can put it on punch 1. That'd be $5. I'm a tuner shop, bro. Oh yeah. The Arrma Fireteam. Oh, it's not even a clipless body.
Brett, this is an old truck.
Yeah, we're taking a few steps back here.
Uh-oh, we got throttle.
Bro, what? Are you holding the brake? Yeah. Oh, I'm about to say, I was like, bro, the axle already broke. It's a beautiful truck. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh! Oh! It's already broke. It's already broke, Byron. Come on, man. Bro. Arrma. That was 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, dude, it snapped it right in half. Good job, Byron. Good job.
Oh!
Dude, that was high up in the air, though. That was high.
Yes.
that was super duper high, to be honest.
Well, this one didn't even last 5 minutes. Oh my gosh.
I can't even drive back. It pulled the batteries out.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to throw it in the trash and start over. Byron did his thing to another Arrma. That's how it goes.
That was way up there, though.
It was high. Don't worry, all the Traxxas people will have no issue. We're bankrupt. We're going bankrupt already. That's insane. And this car's discontinued, so you'll never find the parts.
Yeah, I can't get the parts for it no more.
That sucks.
Really? Hey, I got some Gorilla Glue. Y'all want to glue?
Gorilla Glue and your tape. And your Gorilla tape.
Look at how far it sent the dirt back whenever it landed, though.
It did. I thought you were about to rip a backflip. So I'll take your sway bar kit, because I need that.
No, we're gonna just burn it, Brett.
Okay. That was a good jump.
So in all reality,
That's for sale, $500.
Can't get them no more.
Unboxing and immediate breakage. What's new?
Okay, next unboxing.
You have exactly 2 days left to win this beautiful Snap-on van, and that is if you're watching on Wednesday, as the last time you'll be able to enter the giveaway is March 14th at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you go to lifeofballin.com now, and for every $5 that you spend, you will get 10 entries to win this beautiful, one-of-a-kind Snap-on van. Okay guys, we got a nasty day out here, a little rainy, a little windy. We got everybody with us. But shout out China Hobbies for sending us this 5000 6S that we're gonna be trying out in the Creighton, that we're gonna be trying out in the Fireteam. As you guys seen, the Spectrum batteries don't last long at all. So China Hobbies saw that on our channel and was like, we don't wanna have that happen to you. We wanna at least last longer than 5 minutes. So they sent us this big, thick boy right here. So we're gonna see if Byron breaks the car first or the battery dies. Let's get into it.
I want to place a bet it dies first.
Can the thick boy fit?
That's what I'm wondering. Holy crap, that's a thick boy.
Yes, it'll fit.
Yeah. Yeah, get her in there, Byron. Thanks for the help, John.
What? Come on. Dude, Sean, chill out, John.
30 minutes later.
No, it's more like 4 hours later.
Even though
Putting a fat girl in a dress.
we got her all here, let's get her plugged in and see.
Yeah.
I just love that sound.
Yeah, it means something's about to break.
I just love it.
It means it's about to cost some money.
It means about
Here comes the fire team. Oh, it's broke. It broke.
Oh, it did break.
I think it broke. Yep.
Oh, son of...
Yep. That literally broke the. Bro, we can't play with this more than 2 minutes.
I got the slash stuff under the truck.
Really? Serious? Yes. What are you doing? Shout out this dude. We're sorry for you.
This guy thinking something actually broke.
The handbrake. So guys, last time you saw the Fireteam, Byron broke it in 2 minutes. So we got more ramps so he can break it in 4 today. But she is peppy, man.
The batteries are actually pretty heavy.
Yeah, you like the battery so far? Here comes the Fireteam. Oh, hard landing. Nice. Come on, Byron. No in-air control for the Fireteam. He keeps nosediving it. Oh! Nice. John, you broke something? John broke something in the Creighton already. Look at him.
Oh no! It's broken! Did you break it? Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, did you break it?
Typical Arrma.
Did you kill the men?
They're all dead.
I can't feel my hands.
Well then darn, I guess you're not gonna get to play with it.
Wait, that's still a chance? I thought you really meant no. There's so much dirt on this phone. Do a backflip. Okay. What's happening over here?
That's a great picture over here.
What, surgery on a grape?
Yeah.
Would you like to explain to the class what you're doing?
Yeah, killing batteries and stabbing stuff and breaking stuff and winding out these pins because they keep unplugging. Typical Arrmas.
Gotcha.
It's lived how long?
13 minutes?
That's longer than Spectrums.
Yeah, look at that.
Don't kill anybody.
Okay, I'm gonna try and jump it.
Okay. Is that full throttle?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Oh, okay. We can go up a little bit. There you go.
I've earned privileges.
She's earned privileges. She hasn't hit nobody. That was cool. I'm proud of you. You're doing good, young grasshopper. Hit other rep. Where are you going? The first time you take yourself out, you're gonna never want to touch another one. Oh my gosh.
I don't know where I'm going.
Hey, so I have a question for you. How deep is the water here? How deep is the water?
What?
How deep is the water?
What are you
It's like you're flooding. Holy crap. Give me my controller. What are you doing? Okay, y'all were not recording at all. Y'all were not recording. What? Okay, y'all need to be fired. Y'all are fired. It is? Okay, here.
But I will say that was some decent runtime on that battery, though.
Very.
Thanks, China Hobbies.
Yeah, especially for the price. Oh yeah, you can't beat it.
Round 2.
Byron's let me use his Fireteam today on the China Hobby batteries, so let's go try it out. Byron was saying it has no in-air control. Oh, I mean, she boogies. Yeah, this China Hobby battery is crazy. We can turn the brake up. That's how we can get more in-air control. This Fireteam is insane right now. Oh no. Dude, this Fireteam is crazy. What do you guys think? No! This thing is rowdy. Doesn't quite have enough for a backflip off this ramp. Yeah! Yeah, this China Hobby battery is sick. Oh! Nosedive.
Watching all four of you guys play, and it's just like, whoa.
This is what the handbrake does, guys, is it locks the back up and allows you to do this. I can't tell if that pillow ball popped out or not. That's fun, dude. Honestly, I really do like the car. I really do think the Fireteam is a fun car. After Byron broke it in 2 minutes, it came back with a redemption. That China Hobbies battery wakes it up.
That's letting the brake lock.
Just lock the back brake up. That's so cool. So what do you think, Byron?
It's a piece of junk. It's Arrma.
I like it.
No, it's fun. It's fun.
It's fun, especially for the...
The big rock is more fun though.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the Fireteam video, and shout out China Hobbies. It really did wake up the Fireteam. Oh, we'll end on his face. Okay.
So it really didn't get dirty too bad, but this is how you clean a car.
Yeah, just a little chassis slap.
Little chassis, slap it. It vibrates. Did you see all the dirt flying on
Yeah.
that?
Oh my God, the chassis.
Hold on.
Did it bend the chassis?
Oh, dude, it bent it. No, I didn't. But this is also how you clean a car. Y'all guys remember? I love how people got triggered off of that.
Yeah, for real. It's really clean now.
Act like you don't love it.
How long are you?
Hey,
I say about
Bruce giving
5.
Byron a hard time asking him how long he is.
man, that's hard.
I say about 5.
Dude, what? Wait, I didn't hear what she said. What?
Keep batting on that belly and that trunk might come alive.
Or his hand.
Man, we're just gonna leave now. We're not even gonna stay for nothing else.